Good morning, y'all. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine / morning routine. I have yet to even brush my teeth. I got up and I got right to it. I'm going to show y'all the steps that I take and how I pretty much maneuver my skin and my skincare routine. The first thing that I do, like before I do anything, I use witch hazel. Witch hazel is very natural for your skin. It's very natural as well. Like, it has no smell or scent to it. So I use this as like a base to make sure like my skin is as clean as possible. This is also perfect if you're going to bed and you don't have the energy to like sit there and do like a whole face routine before you go to sleep. Simply just like wipe your face down with witch hazel and it'll be okay. So that's the first step. She has a lot of dirt on it, y'all see that? Okay, so next I'm going to use my deep cleanser. It's called Noxzema, and I think Noxzema has been around for years. And the Noxzema was like, I think it was like $4 to $5. I'll put it somewhere around here. Got it from Target, but it's probably cheaper at like a Walmart. So I'm just gonna take it and just kind of spread it across my face. A couple minutes, and during this time period is actually when I brush my teeth. I let this sit while I'm brushing, so it's getting its full nourishment. I'm gonna quickly just brush my teeth. Okay, so after I finish brushing, I use my Pro X Olay brush. All I'm gonna do is just kind of use rotation, just go all around my face. I do use warm water when I am doing this. We'll put the price of the brush, again, somewhere around here, because I don't know it off the top of my head. And there's 2 speeds on it. I would suggest using the higher speed. I've used the slow speed before, but I would just say use the higher speed. Just from experience, I would use the higher speed. Face off. Using my Olay brush, I use hot water, but when I rinse, I use cold water to rinse my face off. Make sure it's all off your skin, because I like feeling fresh in the morning. This is like essential to my routine. Now, if you want to, you can actually hit your face again with witch hazel one more time just to make sure your skin is as clean as possible. And then I will add my moisturizer. My Dual Effects moisturizer. I'm trying a new moisturizer. So far so good. So I just put that in, and I believe this has SPF in it, so this was like $3 to $4. Again, I will leave the price somewhere around here. So people, that is my morning / skincare routine, what I do every morning to feel great, get up, feel amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to try any products, have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can simply go to my site, www.clareabrianna.com. You can use my email, DM me on Instagram. All of those resources are available. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Have a blessed day. Bye.